Hi guys, welcome to my next installment from my allotment plots. Today I went to my second plot to start preparing the ground, start putting the cardboard down, suppressing the weeds. This is a speeded up version of what I got up to today. Just breaking down all the cardboard, removing all the salad tape and plastic off it, and trying to lay it overlapping each other so that it covers the ground as best as possible. And that is to suppress all the weeds. So this is my second plot, plot number 2. I will be trying to name all of them after a while once I've settled. Do excuse my camera angles, I'm still learning. So as you can see, I'm just flattening out all the boxes, laying it down. I didn't have anything to any compost to put on the cardboard. So what I did do, there was some debris. As you saw my allotment plot 1, there's a lot of always debris when you take over a plot. Wooden planks and stones and things like that. So that's what I used to hold down the cardboard, and that black compost bin was full of old compost, I think, or old material anyway, and I used that as well to hold down the cardboard. As you can see, I got about just 3/4 of the way and I ran out of cardboard, so I had to go and grab some more. I also grabbed a little helper who you'll see very shortly. So that is the beginning of the cardboard going down on the grassy ground. As you can see, there's a lot of grass, there's a lot of weeds, there's a lot of things on the floor which I do not need to grow my vegetables and fruits. So the cardboard is going to help to clear all of that. I might try and do the same method as I'm doing on my allotment plot 1, is lay it down, let the cardboard break down, see what comes up, and then maybe lay down a second layer of cardboard just to totally suppress it, and then lay down my final compost for the beds as I build it. So this is the beginning of the no dig method for allotment 2. There's my little helper. That's my girlfriend Alice, who came today to help me put down all the cardboard. And as you can see, I also found that black matting along the rubbish that I found in the site. So I decided to use it to lay across all the cardboard, which will also help with any weeds coming up. So once I've got enough compost, and what I've decided to do as well, on my first allotment, I've built the compost bays. So that's going to be my main composting station, more or less. And here, I'm just going to keep the garlic bin as a compost. So any debris or anything like that, I will keep in there to compost. But allotment 1 is going to be my main composting area. So I'm going to have all of this land just for growing my veg and fruit. And hopefully the final plan for this plot is probably to hopefully see how it goes. Nothing is in concrete yet, but hopefully to put a polytunnel so that I do have the whole plot. I'm going to try and this is one of my missions, is try and build a polytunnel from scratch myself. And have it all along the whole plot. So I have one allotment plot which has indoor growing all year round. That is the plan. We'll see how far we get to it. So as you can see, that's all the plot done nearly, with all cardboard and I've put down the black weed suppressant material, which I found on there anyway, so I thought I might as well use it to put down. And I think that is allotment plot 2 done for now. Now all I need to get onto it is the compost and start making some beds And as I said, this is going to be hopefully all undercover or a polytunnel. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for following and see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.